Gerald is planning on buying a bike. He is mowing yards to help him save money to purchase the bike and earns $27 per month. The bike costs $100. How many months does Gerald need to save his lawn money until he has enough for the bike? A. 2 months, B. 1 month, C. 4 months, or D. 3 months? Nina works for a restaurant. The restaurant pays her every week for the work she does. Some weeks she works more hours than other weeks. Which statement is most likely true? A. When Nina works fewer hours, she earns more income from the restaurant. B. When Nina works more hours, she earns more income from the restaurant. C. When Nina works more hours, the restaurant gets less labor from her. D. When Nina works fewer hours, the restaurant gets more labor from her. Question 3. What is one reason why people earn different levels of income? A. Monthly expenses. B. Number of siblings. C. Random wages. D. Amount of education. Questions 4 and 5. Due to a drought in Texas, H-E-B's prices on strawberries have changed over the years. When the crop is plentiful, the cost is lower. The table below shows the price for strawberries within the last 4 years. Question 4. In which year was the strawberry crop the scarcest due to drought? Is this in 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014? Remember, scarcest means that there was fewer strawberries, which would cause the price to go up. Question 5. In which year was the strawberry crop the most abundant? 2011, 12, 13, or 14? Most abundant means that there were lots of strawberries. Therefore, the price would go down. Question 6. Which of the following numbers is ordered from greatest to least? Question 7. Bad weather destroyed most of the peaches on the peach trees in an orchard. They will have an effect on the price of the remaining peaches. Which statement best describes the effect on the price? A. The price will likely increase because there are more peaches available to buy. B. The price will likely decrease because there are more peaches available to buy. C. The price will likely increase because there are fewer peaches available to buy. Or D. The price will likely decrease because there are fewer peaches available to buy. Question 8. Miss Williams borrowed $6,000 from a bank for some home repairs. She paid $7,500 back to the bank. Which of these is the most likely reason Miss Williams paid the bank more than the amount she borrowed? A. She made a mistake in calculating the amount she needed to pay back. B. She actually needed more than $6,000 for the home repairs. C. She had to pay interest on the amount of money she borrowed. D. She had to pay sales tax. Question 9. Joey rode his bike all summer long for 3 months. The table below shows the amount of miles he rode for each month. How many miles did Joey ride his bike in June and July? Gracie and Ashley's dad told them he would pay them each $2 a week for completing chores. Ashley asked her dad if he would pay her $12 every week instead because she thinks she can make more money. Gracie still wants to be paid $2 a day. In a 7-day week, who will earn more money? Ashley, because $12 is more than $2. B. Ashley, because 12 times 2 equals 24. C. Neither. They will earn the same amount because 12 plus 2 equals 14 and 2 times 7 equals 14. D. Gracie, because 2 times 7 equals 14 and 14 is more than 12. Question 10, Part 2. Most of the Cortland apples sold in Georgia come from the New York State. Last fall, snowstorms made it difficult for trucks to bring Cortland apples from New York to Georgia. Which statement best describes the effect this would likely have on the price of Cortland apples in Georgia? The price likely decreased because there were fewer apples available to buy. G. The price likely increased because there were fewer apples available to buy. H. The price likely decreased because there were fewer apples available to buy. J. The price likely increased because there were more apples available to buy. 11. Carlos brought a new laptop for school. The cost of the laptop was $500. Carlos only had $400 saved in the bank, so he had to borrow $100 from his mom to pay for the camera. She agreed, and he agreed to pay his mother back $150. What is the additional $50 Carlos has to pay his mother? A. Credit. B. Unplanned spending. C. Planned spending. D. Interest. Question 1. The point on the number line represents the amount of money needed to build a garage. Which statement best describes the amount of money needed to build the garage? A. The amount of money needed is more than $5,000. B. The amount of money needed is less than $4,000. C. The amount of money needed is about $4,500. D. The amount of money needed is a lot. 2. Abby has $299 in her savings account. Her sister Bailey has $482 in her savings account. Which is the best estimate of how much more money Bailey had than Abby? 3. Why is saving money a good idea? A. It will cost you more money later on. B. It will not help you to pay for a college education. C. It helps pay for things you will need in the future. D. It is a good way to have more money to spend right now. 4. Naomi drew these figures and called them serzas. These figures are not serzas. Which figure is a serza? Which figure matches with the ones on top?